Right, round 2. The ultimate RV show on the 4th day of February. So I'm working my way down. So this is a little small one. Going for a little under 18 grand here. So again, this is the kind of, if I'm going to be doing this stuff, this is a nice one. Easy to pull. Like a fire extinguisher. Some of this stuff's kind of cheap in the first place. It's really kind of cheap. Storage. Probably got the head in here. Bathroom. Not too bad. Good enough, I guess. Too bad. Put it on here. Anyways. So we're getting some smaller ones over. This is the smaller ones. The R-Pod. This one's about 22 grand. Regular 33 right now on sale. Going here.
Well, there's an awning, Mark. There's an awning on that.
Oh, this one. Hell yeah. A little different, but this stuff's just cheap. I like the kitchen. I do like the one. This is probably the head. Yeah. Get your fat ass in there. Good luck with all that. Not bad. It's a one-shot gun, I call these. There's your workbench. Not bad. Sit here and eat. This should be up, so it doesn't look cheap. But you want to stay up. Not bad. One-shot gun.
One of many?
Yep.
Hello, campers, and welcome to the Ultimate RV Show at Minnesota Convention Center. It is now time
Another
to
one.
announce the winner for our
Who's in there right now? 27,000.
Eric Stevens. Congratulations, Eric Stevens. You have won our 2 outdoor rocking chairs. Please make your way to the giveaway area in the center of the convention center to claim your prize. Again, the winner is Eric Stevens. Please make your way to the giveaway area in the center of the convention center to claim your prize.
Another one-shot one. Kind of getting this one for $21.95. R-Pod. So, and then over here, this one, I saw this one when I went down the other side. It's kind of the kitchen's in the back. We have the grill out right here. Kind of cool. So it's more, you come outside here. Front of the deck over here. It's kind of cool. It's not cute. That's what they want. That's what they want. 18 grand for this thing. Easy. God, really? Are you kidding me? Whoa. Oh my goodness. Let's go over here. Work our way down here. Got some big dogs over here now. Going here. Put the header right there. King size bed. All kinds of fun stuff. Now, these are the big ones where you go down to Arizona and you drop them off and stay for like 2 months at a time. Like use them for a proverbial cabin. This one's regular 60 grand discount. A lot of times they fall apart too as well.
No, but I have this one right now because I don't think they'll sell it out.
Let's go over here.
You're waiting for it. You're about to retire.
So many good different sizes. And, now this one's a big one, big dog up here. Coming up here. I'll show you. This sucker's really big. These ones are huge. It's like that's where the awning that goes out. Sold. Oh my goodness. 80 grand. Oh Lord. Jesus. So,
60,000 for this one.
got it. Upper deck too, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Look at that, huh?
2-story.
Jeez. It's sold, I guess, too, as well.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's sold.
How do you get that?
Come on up here and.
Oh, it's motorized.
Yeah, okay, good luck with all that.
Yeah. I like that.
It's nuts. I have two decks. I have the header down there. Well, if you're old, you know, going down these stairs. There's the cabin right here.
Oh, window.
TV comes up and
It's
down.
not quite right.
Kitchen table.
King size bed. Oh, wow.
All right.
Yeah, this is a cabin. Got another deck up there. Another head right here.
Okay, so
God. It's expensive. What? And here looks like you got the outdoor sink. So all these are the big dogs. Right here. These are houses. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, these are the kind you buy for your cabin. So here, oh my goodness. Come aboard. Jesus. A lot of people are hanging out in there. What do you think, huh?
Good.
All the good stuff.
Yeah, it's roomy.
It's like your own little.
You have your
You're
own
okay.
little-
You're not on camera.
Huh?
It's like your own little cabin right here, huh? Oh my goodness.
This is great.
Heck yeah. You can watch Super Bowl. Look downstairs here. Watch like kill yourself. This one's going for 45. He's done something I don't think. It's unbelievable what they want for these things. But I want to leave before I buy a boat. You can use this year round. Another one up here. We want 40 grand for it at the ultimate. Mhm. Another one in here.
oh my god.
36,000.
Traded one in.
These are the grand billow. These are the. This one's not too bad. This one's a nice size one right here. Oh God. Yeah, now I'm gonna get over here. It's different kinds. These are like the decent ones over here. Trying to get down here a little bit. Let's go down here. There's a lot to see.
Oh, that was huge, yeah. Thought it was in good shape.
Everything's discounted for the sale, right? Well, there's a bigger shower. This one is. Oh yeah. What do you guys think, huh?
Pretty cool. It's too bad you're a fan.
What? That what?
You should be a wild fan.
No, we're going to see him in.
Are you going to Chicago to see?
No, we're gonna go see. They're in Vegas the day after Super Bowl. We're flying into Arizona. Then we're gonna fly back down to Arizona. Drive back down to Arizona. So we're seeing him in Vegas and Arizona. Her wild, not mine. It's always this hat always triggers people when I wear it all the time. So just calm down. It's just a laundry basket. But we just can't handle that. Well, anyways. Put on here. Oh, an open one right here. This is like a. You can pull that bed out. I think I'm going for 30.
Well, that truck picked it up.
Nobody in.
41 for that one. So compare the boat show I went to last week. It's like storage, or you can put a bike underneath there. More of a, this one is a little over 45, give or take, discount 21 grand. What do you think, huh?
A little small.
Is it? Yeah. Yep.
Get some good air. That's like, I think that would be
It's
the
not
biggest
bad.
thing, especially trying to
He's right, he gets a little small in these things. Those big people. Yep. Anyways. More storage right over there, okay. These are the bigger ones. More storage underneath there. Stay on. This one's got, you can tell when they, this is almost $24,000 off. Holy shit. Pull them low. A lot of times they have pull-outs. Like it. This one is $51,000. What do you guys think, huh?
Yeah, looks nice.
Yeah.
What do you think?
No, it's okay. I kind of like it.
Didn't like it?
I can walk in it. This is kind of like a. Looks like in someone sleep up there. Room. It's not bad. You can sit here and play video games, whatever else. So, anyways, do everything else. So. Throw it up here. Anyways, guys, let's go to the next one, shall we?